Earthworks project's civil construction job in Adelaide for the last 3 years. It's almost nearing completion. I'm here talking to Mark Hall, who's the Survey Sales Manager for Position Partners in Adelaide, about the scope of this project. G'day Mark, how are you today?
Pretty good, thanks.
Mark, I want to talk about this Southern Expressway project. Can you give us a sense of the scale of this job over the last 3 years?
So yeah, obviously been going over 3 years. It used to be a one-direction freeway, and that lasted about 10 years. People got jack of it, so they've now duplicated the whole length of the road. I think it's around 20 k's worth of road. There's been a lot of blasting of rock and all that sort of stuff, so you know, you've seen bridges being built, all sorts of stuff. They've also got a very fine tolerance for final trim, so the 5mm tolerance. So there's been a lot of challenges, and also we've had all the machines running on our old RTK network. So that's been a great plus for us, and everything's run smooth pretty well.
So Topcon's got a pretty heavy involvement here. How's Position Partners been a part of this major project?
So we've been helping with any breakdowns of Topcon machinery, also as I mentioned the network licences, anything to be solved with that. There's been a whole bunch of network rovers hired, and also machine control components hired as they're needed.
So you'd probably say that Topcon and Position Partners have been fairly imperative to this project all through the last 3 years.
Correct, yeah.
And what's next for the project? When does it wrap up, and when can we start seeing the expressway in operation?
So last time I checked, it's going to be finished at either the end of June or sometime July. So within a couple of months it'll be finished and
Great.
Opened up.
And what sort of earth moving contractors have we seen on this project?
So SA operators, we've got Ausdig Excavations with his excavator. Hunter Brothers had a dozer on here. There's been a bunch of other Topcon machines all around the countryside, so we've been able to help out our counterparts in different states service their clients.
Great. Thanks for talking to me today, Mark.
Nice.
From Ausdig Excavations, and we're talking about his part in the Southern Expressway duplication project. Hi Zane.
How you going? Yep. Just building the land basin here. We're coming up about 4.5 metres higher than where the excavator is. Comes into the first basin and then comes up into the second basin to a broken heap of rock out here.
Yep.
And the wall comes up here about 2.5 metres into here. So at this stage we're about 5,000 cubes short of clay. Just need to cart that in and finish it off.
Right. How long have you got on this part of the project until you're done?
Depends on how quick we can get the clay and how quick the clay comes in. So hopefully within about 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, we should have this one finished.
Okay, great.